Dietary sodium. Introduction. Sodium is commonly known as salt. Select true or false. Correct. The body uses sodium to do which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Balance fluids. 2. Control blood pressure. 3. Keep muscles and nerves functioning properly. 4. All of the above. Correct. Sodium is an important nutrient. The body needs some sodium to work properly. Which one of the following foods is not a natural source of sodium? Choose one of the following options. 1. Beets. 2. Milk. 3. Canned corn. Correct. Canned corn and other canned vegetables are not natural sources of sodium. Sodium is added to canned foods for preservation. Fast foods don't contain a lot of sodium. Select true or false. Correct. Be careful about how much sodium you get when you eat foods from fast food restaurants. People living in countries where processed foods are common tend to take in too much sodium. Select true or false. Correct. That means that the majority of us need to cut back. Too much sodium usually causes people to have high blood pressure and retain fluids. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.